Welcome to Joerns Healthcare Mexico. Our plant is located in Matamoros, Mexico, across the border from Brownsville, Texas. We manufacture medical equipment, such as beds, mattresses, control units, slings, and panels. We operate out of a fully climatized facility that spans approximately 200,000 square feet. This is the main office area for HR, production, finance, projects, IT, quality, and plant manager. Our training room is used for onboarding courses, training, and communication events. This is the cafeteria. Moving into our receiving area, we have 3 active docks for incoming materials, alongside a dedicated office for our receiving clerk and quality inspection. This is where we process imported raw materials from our Brownsville warehouse, as well as deliveries from local Mexican vendors and MRO supplies. Next, we have our warehouse racks, which hold approximately 2,300 SKUs of raw materials, sourced mainly from the US and Mexico. Next is the office area for commodity sourcing. Inside, this space is also home to our teams for process quality, import and export, and planning. Welcome to the metal fabrication area. Our process begins here with dedicated storage for our steel coils and tubes. Materials then move to our high-precision tube cutting equipment, featuring Haven and cold saws. Next, the core components take shape in our progressive stamping presses. Finally, secondary processes like bending and machining complete the parts. Moving forward, we enter our automatic welding area. Here, 9 robots and 9 operators perform precision MIG and TIG welding. These processes build the core components for our beds and lifts. Next are manual welding stations. Here, 14 dedicated stations utilize MIG and TIG processes, featuring specialized fixtures for our bed and lift components. Right next to this, we have our dedicated quality inspection area for all metal fabrication and welding processes. Our Kanban system holds a 1-day supply of ready weldment components. Next, our components move into the comprehensive paint system. The process starts at the loading area. Parts then enter a thorough pre-treatment stage, featuring a complete wash and rinse cycle. Next, they're treated with iron phosphate and a sealer, followed by our multicolor electrostatic powder paint application. Finally, at the unloading area, finished parts are organized into a Kanban system, ready for final assembly. Here is our MRO tool crib for all operational supplies. We arrive at the bed's final assembly area. Here, our team carefully integrates electronics, weldments, and hardware components. These elements come together to build our complete bed frames, patient lifts, and essential service parts. Here is our manufacturing and process engineering team, supporting our daily operations. Next, we have our bed panel fabrication area. This zone features a precision CNC machine and router. Moving on, we reach our control units department. This specialized area is dedicated to the precise assembly and rigorous testing of our air mattress control units. In a separate dedicated space, we have our control units repair area. Here, our team focuses on full diagnostics and servicing. Moving into our mattress area, production begins with our precision CNC fabric cutter. We utilize RF welding technology to create durable, seamless joints. Our skilled operators handle detailed fabric construction in the dedicated sewing area. In the assembly and testing area, every mattress undergoes strict quality checks. Completed mattresses are carefully boxed and secured at the final packaging station. Moving into our specialized slings operations. This section features heavy-duty, precision stitching for maximum load-bearing safety. Every unit undergoes final assembly and a rigorous inspection process to guarantee patient safety. Next, we enter our testing laboratory area. This space is dedicated to rigorous product validation, lifetime cycle testing, and the evaluation of new products and components. Next is our specialized tool room. This area handles all in-house tool and die maintenance, ensuring our production equipment is always repaired and optimized for performance. Finally, we reach our shipping area. This zone features our staging area and shipping docks, where we process daily shipments directly to our Arlington distribution center. Building on a legacy that began in 1889, Joerns continues to redefine healthcare excellence. With more than 15 years of operations here in Mexico, we take pride in our mission to improve lives through efficient manufacturing and a steadfast commitment to meeting the world's most essential care needs. Welcome to Joerns Healthcare Mexico.